Welcome back. In this tutorial, we will show you how you can reset your password by following some easy steps. First, let's reset your password from the front-end dashboard. Locate the setting from your profile and click on the Reset Password. Input your current password, new password, and confirm your new password. Now click on the Reset Password. Log in with your new password. And that's it. Now reset the password from the login page. Press Reset Password. Put your email address and click on Get New Password. Check your email for a reset password link and click on it. Now you can add your new password and log into your account. And that's it. You have successfully reset your password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.